Yes beta, one more example here I have taken. 11,975 is to be divided by 13. So 11,975 is my dividend and 13 is my divisor. Now I told you that when we are having a 2-digit divisor, I should take 2 digits of the dividend in the beginning only. That is, here I will be considering 2 digits, 1 and 1. So my number will be 11. Yes, then I will see that how many times 13 goes into 11. But you can see here that 11 is smaller than 13. 11 will never come in the table of 13. So here what I will do, I will take 3 digits of the dividend altogether in the beginning. Reason? Because if I am taking 2 digits of the dividend, that number is smaller than divisor. In such case, we will be taking 3 digits of the dividend and my number will be 119. Now I will see that how many times 13 goes into 119, and we know that 13 nines are 117. Yes, so I will be going with 13 nines are 117, and you can see this, I have written this 9 on the top of this 9. Why? Because here I have taken 3 digits. Okay, so I will be writing on the top of third digit, that is 9. Now I will subtract. 9 minus 7, 2, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Next digit I will copy, that is 7. Now my number is 27. Again I need to see that how many times 13 goes into 27. Now I know 13 2s are 26 and 13 3s are 39. So 39 will be bigger than 27. So I will go with 13 2s are 26. This 2 I will be writing on the top of 7. Why? Because this time I have taken which digit? This 7 only. Okay, now I will subtract. 7 minus 6, 1. Next digit I will copy, that is 5. So my number is 15. Now I need to see that how many times 13 goes into 15. So 13 ones are 13. Now subtract. 5 minus 3, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So in this way my quotient is 921 and my remainder is 2. I hope you understood. Thank you.